Hey, Deborah.
We are going to go into room 1408. 1408. And it's 9:52. Okay?
9:52.
PM. This is Mary Chapel, Deborah Leopo.
And if I don't come back, you can have my 25 cents.
This is Teresa Chapel.
This is
Rachel. Rachel. Crystal's getting married pretty soon, so this is a bachelorette party. Raise the roof, raise the roof.
Now the elevator is going to take forever. Now the elevator is going to take forever. Oh shit, this is Teresa dancing.
Did anybody even see the movie?
No. I did. It's so stupid. It's so stupid. I got so pissed. I wasted my money on it. Okay, since the elevator is taking so long, I'm gonna pause this. Don't waste your money. Oh man.
Raise the roof, raise the roof.
Press 4.
I got it.
Oh man. You gotta stop this.
I'm not gonna fight.
Oh, back. Come in. This room. This room. Hey, she believed it. It's magic.
Bad chance. Remember you guys like 17 or 14 away? 17. Oh, you got it? It's a bachelorette party.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Oh, 14. Oh, wait.
Do not. Oh, shit. I know. Do not. Oh, that's so sleepy.
Do you live here?